We're first going to learn the word 월. This word means month. All of the months in Korean end with the word 월. If you know how to count in Korean using the Sino-Korean number system, which starts with 1, 2, 3, then the months will be very easy for you. The months use the format of the number plus month. For example, the number 5 in Korean is 우. If you add 월 to that, you get 우월. This is the word for May, which is the 5th month of the year. Here we go. I'll say the word 3 times. January 1월 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 February 2월 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 March 3월 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 April 4월 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 May 5월 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 June 6월 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 July 7월 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 August 8월 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 September 9월 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 October 10월 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 November 11월 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 December 12월 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 Next, let's use these months in sentences. Here are some examples. We will start with the question 몇 월이에요? This means, what month is it? If someone asks you this question, you can reply with 9월이에요. This means, it's September. You can substitute 9월 with the other month when answering this question. The next question is 몇 개월이에요? This means how many months? You can reply with 5개월이에요, which means 5 months. You can change the number in the reply. For example, 3개월이에요 means 3 months. Another useful question is 생일은 몇 월이에요? This means what month is your birthday? You can answer it with 8월이에요. This means it's in August. Another word used for month in Korean is 달. This is a native Korean word for the term month. It means the same as 월. You'll use this along with the native Korean number system, which starts with 하나, 둘, 셋. This format is used for counting the duration or period of months. For example, 한 달 means 1 month. 두 달 means 2 months. 세 달 means 3 months. 네 달 means 4 months. 달 means 5 months. 6달 means 6 months. Note that the numbers 하나, 둘, 셋, and 넷 change their form when used with counters. Instead of 하나, 둘, 셋, and 넷, they become 한, 두, 세, and 네. That means the first 4 months are 한 달, 두 달, 세 달, and 네 달. How you can use the duration of months in some sentences. The first sentence is 저는 미국에서 5달 동안 살았어요. This sentence means I lived in America for 5 months. Note that 5달 is used for the duration of 5 months. The second example is 저는 6달 동안 한국어를 배웠어요. This means I learned Korean for 6 months. You can see that 6달 is used in the sentence to indicate a period of 6 months. You can also use 달 for saying last month, this month, and next month. 지난달 means last month. 이번 달 means this month. 다음 달 means next month. Note that the correct numbers to use with 달 are the native Korean numbers. This set of numbers starts with 하나, 둘, 셋. For example, 한 달, 두 달, and 세 달. It is incorrect to use the Sino-Korean numbers with 달 for months. The Sino-Korean numbers start with 1, 2, 3. You cannot say 1달, 2달, or 3달. There are 2 number systems in Korean, and you need to use the correct numbers and counters together. If you use the wrong number system, people may understand you, but it will sound strange. In summary, the word month is expressed with the words 월 and 달. 월 is used for telling the months by adding it to the Sino-Korean numbers. On the other hand, 달 is for counting the duration or period of months, which you can use with native Korean numbers.